So you can start from our start screen. This is preset up at confession to avoid select confession screen. For example, you can change this through settings. So when you change settings, all settings will be set up. So for example, year one, and jump to English. So, and we can see now confession change it. So for start, we need to choose confession. For example, we use Orthodox, and here we have some short description. This is learn about confession. It's about some educational materials, courses, or whatever you want, like YouTube videos. So also you can read about confession. It's about this text. I don't know. Maybe we can change this like for videos or change text. Sacred service. You can donate to confession via Telegram stars, but we can change it to uh, some donation through some payment services. So show branches. It's show how connect. You can donate to confession and donate to this church. Also, uh, also use for now Telegram stars. Also, you can see and connect with price. You can directly call via um, cell network, or you can contact employee. Because we cannot, because this is a demo application, our price not exist. So uh, if, for example, our price are busy or cannot answer, our support bot through Gemini. For now, this use Gemini model. Uh, how I can um, help to my church. So uh, this is directly going to uh, chatbot, and this chatbot directly answer you. So this almost all functional. What I want to show. So yeah, if you didn't close uh, this chat, you also redirect to exist support chat with our chat bot. So if you have any questions, please provide.